Hello ladies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shirley. If you haven't subscribed, please do so below. Today I will be showing you another wash and go routine. So if you'd like to see how I got these defined curls, please keep watching. I'm excited about today's curl routine because I am using only Cantu products, and I've used their products before, but I always combine them with another line. So if I use their curling cream, I'll use it with Kinky Curl or with Diva Curl. I never just use the full Cantu line. So the products I'll be using today are the Cantu Leave-In Conditioner Repair Cream. This is this cream right here. And this cream, well, leave-in conditioner cream, claims to provide intense moisture, which my hair needs, that leaves your hair soft and manageable. It's formulated for damaged, dry, and coarse hair, which are all issues I have. So I'm looking forward to trying this. I will then be adding the coconut curling cream, which is this right here. And this claims to define, moisturize, and strengthen your strands. Again, a lot of curly girls compare this to the Diva Curl coconut cream, which I love. So I'm looking forward to seeing how this compares to that. Finally, I'll be going in with the Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. You ladies probably saw this on my top 10 curling products video, which I will link below, but this stuff is amazing. I love it every time. This is the Cantu Anti-Frizz Argan Oil. It says it smooths frizz and flyaways, which I get a lot of flyaways, so I'm looking forward to see if my little split ends won't be showing. So we'll see if this claims to do what it says. So you want to start off with a towel and freshly washed hair. I am then going to go in and part my hair into different sections just to make it easier to apply all of the product and to make sure that all of the strands in my hair are fully saturated. The first product I am going to use is the Cantu Leave-In Conditioner. This stuff smells amazing. But like I said, I'm raking in the product with my fingers to make sure I get really in there and focusing on the crown of my head, as you see here, because that's just really dry for me. I'm just continuing to apply product on the rest of my hair, making sure that it's fully coated. I'm then going in with my microfiber t-shirt to rinse out any excess product. I'm then using the coconut curling cream. This stuff smells amazing and it's really sticky. And this, you don't want to saturate it as much. You kind of just want to coat your hair a little bit with it and then follow through, going in with your Denman brush to really define those curls. As you can see here in the front, my curls really spring up using this brush, so I absolutely love it. Shake out your curls and then repeat the same process with the microfiber towel. Once your hair is all coated with all products, you want to go in with the Moisturizing Curl Activator. And this stuff, I'm using it as a gel, so I'm really only coating it a little bit using the prayer hand method. So this is what my hair looks like after I've applied all the product. What I want to do now is take the curls that frame my face and curl them individually. This just gives me bouncier curls around my face and just a more defined look. Now to my least favorite part, diffusing. You want to make sure your heat is on medium and that the speed is also on medium. And just wait. And keep waiting. And wait some more, but do not touch your curls while you're diffusing. This is what my curls look like after they're dry. So now I want to go in with my oil to break off any cast and to really give me that bouncy look that I have in my curls. And don't think you're gonna break your curl. You can really go in on this process like you see I'm doing here, just really putting a lot of oil in my hair. All right, ladies, so these are my results and I am in love. Like, do you see the definition in my curls? It's crazy. And the volume that I have, I absolutely love, because this is day one hair. Obviously, I just washed it and I just have amazing volume and bounce and fluffiness. And I have amazing curl definition and hold. And I didn't even use a gel, like I said. I'm just really impressed with my results and I love it. I absolutely love it. Now, we have to be realistic. And I do have one complaint. You see these little stragglers? Now the oil claimed to tame these down and it clearly didn't. But in their defense, I always have these kind of like little stragglers up there just because I have a lot of breakage in my crown area. I don't know why, it's really dry. Like here you can see how dry it is, and it shouldn't be because this is the non-bleached part of my hair. But other than that, I think these products did exactly what they said. I got the definition, I got the moisture that I needed, and I think that my curls look amazing. I mean, they look pretty dang good. So good that I also have another complaint, I must say. Do you see this awkward kind of like bald spot that I have here? I don't know if you can tell, but the curl definition is so real that it really shrunk up these curls for me. Like my little, see how defined they are? And they're really long, but they're just so moisturized and so defined that they're short. So it kind of gives me this awkward shape where all my hair is like up here and then I have my long hair down here. So it's kind of awkward. What I am gonna do tomorrow morning is re-wet these with my refresher just to elongate them. But other than that, that's not really a complaint. That just means my curls love this stuff. So girls, I would definitely recommend you trying the Cantu products that I just used in this video. I will name them below just in case you want to go buy them. But I definitely loved the bounce that I got with these products and the definition. So try them. Let me know what you think in the comments below. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. And if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. Bye, ladies.